away they go. Towa Nits from the outside. Okay, approved Speedmaker. Leon Face moving up by Daryl Elusive Cat. And under further outside, Joel's Choice, Starlock, and Inner Class is the early trailer. Two runners fighting out for the lead. Speedmaker running by the rallies. Okay, approved. And 5 lengths corner back in third. Leon Face rushing up. Joel's Choice, Elusive Cat. Towa Nits racing 6 by the route. Second last, Starlock, and Inner Class is running at the tail of the field by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. A Speedmaker, okay, approved. Leon Face on the outside. Joel's Choice, Elusive Cut making ground down on the inside. Towa Nits, Starlock, and Inner Class still running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. A Speedmaker, okay, approved. Leon Face, Joel's Choice, Towa Nits, Elusive Cut also rushing up. 6 runners fighting around for the lead. Towa Nits, okay, approved. Elusive Cut, Starlock on the further outside. Speedmaker, but this time Towa Nits increasing its marker to about 3, and finally Towa Nits, okay, approved. Starlock, Elusive Cut, a Speedmaker, Joel's Choice, Leon Face, and Inner Class comes last.